ceremony, I call few our venerable monks and ask if it is possible for us to arrange our venerable monks. So then they told that they can help with that. So that was a great help for us to decide to do this ceremony. So today, first of all, I would like to give my sincere respect and thanks to Most Venerable Ratvita Vimalajyoti Lokuhamduru, because he is the one who mainly told me that when I told I am going to do this ceremony, he asked me, how many monks you want? So I told I am planning to do Dana ceremony for 50 monks. And then he told me, okay, I will bring 50. So then I told him to invite all these venerable monks, and then I call next our Vipulananda Thero, the Bangladesh monk, and he is always with our Sri Lankan community and all other communities. And I asked him, Bante, can you help me? He asked me, how many monks you want? And then he invited another 20 monks. So then I invite all other Sri Lankan venerable monks, and they have another big Dana ceremony today. So unfortunately, most of them not able to come, but still these venerable monks help us to make this ceremony happen like this. So I sincerely appreciate your presence here, and behalf of all our these devotees, I welcome all our venerable monks. And also at this moment, our Nivitigala Sumitta Hamduro, I just called him, he was in Fresno, and I asked the Venerable Sir, is it possible for you to come to this ceremony? Then he mentioned that he can come, and he all the way, before even asked that, he came here today around 7. So thank you very much, Venerable Sir. I will sincerely give my utmost respect to you. When I invite you wherever you are, if you are in United States, somehow you are able to come to all our ceremonies, and today your presence is very special to us. And also one of the monk that say Bontong, that me and him, Bante, stand.